While holding in a sneeze won't eject your eyeballs, you can still hurt yourself. According to Dr. Allison Woodall, an audiologist at the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences, holding your nose and mouth closed to stifle a sneeze can cause vertigo, rupture your eardrums, and lead to hearing loss. The pressure from the sneeze affects the eustachian tube and middle ear. It can also injure your diaphragm, rupture blood vessels in your eyes, and even weaken or rupture blood vessels in your brain. It's best to let a sneeze out.